What's up everyone, it's Lens Addict here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Oral-B Smart 5 5000 series toothbrush, which I just got today. So let's have a look at the box and some of the features before we unbox it. So I've decided to move to my car because the audio out there is pretty bad. There's a lot of construction going on, so this should be a bit better. But yeah, let's continue the unboxing. So here we have the box. As you can see, it's got different modes. It's got smart coaching, it's got Bluetooth, and it contains a lot of different things. But we'll go to that later. So this is the box. As you can see, it contains the brush itself, cross-action head, 3D white brush head, a floss action brush head, and then a premium charger. Wow, I wonder what's different. It's probably got extra plastic. And it also has a timer, which I quite enjoy. It usually signals every 30 seconds to move to different quadrants of your mouth. Pressure control, so it'll probably flash a light when you press too hard. It's got smart coaching and an app, and it's got Bluetooth. I'm not sure how I feel about Bluetooth from a security point of view. You know, do I really need to have my brushing of my teeth uploaded to the cloud and analyzed? I'm not sure, but we'll give it a try. And it's got a lithium-ion battery, which is nice because previously they've always done nickel cadmiums or NiMH. So it's nice to see some, newer battery technologies finally. And we got 5 different modes. So I'm assuming daily clean is pretty normal. Pro clean, I'm assuming has more power. Then there's sensitive. I guess it'd probably be lower speed. Whitening. I doubt that a different brush mode will whiten your teeth better than just using Pro Clean. And gum massage, alright, that sounds cool. I guess we can try them out. And then I guess underneath we can see when it was made. So this one was made in 2020, right as coronavirus started. Anyway, let's open the box and we'll have a look inside. And there's no seal, which is a bit strange. I would expect to have like some kind of tape or something. I mean, in theory, someone could have opened this before me, used it, put it back in the box, and I'd never know. So, a bit scary. Oh well, I trust. I got it from a chemist. Hopefully they're not that dodgy. Pretty respectable. And there we go. There's the inside the box. So it's all in this styrofoam packaging here. Let's have a look. So, got some manuals. Whoa! Fell down, almost lost it. So I'm gonna just hold it here. You guys can read it. I'm not gonna read this. It's just, it just tells you to install the app and stuff. It's pretty cool. Another manual. This one is even bigger. I'll just read it, hold it out to you guys. You can have a look. It's in 4K. You can pause it and have a look. Okay. It's a lot bigger manual than usual. I guess once you add Bluetooth, you've got to talk a lot more about how it works. Previously, you just press the button. Alright, so let's see. I think this is our premium charger. Let's have a look. See how premium it is. So premium that you can't get it out. Alright, we'll go the other way. Wow, they've really premiumly locked this away. Gotta undo the seal. And then, oh, there we go. So, I mean, so far that just looks like the normal Oral-B charger. I guess the premium part, oh, here we go. This is the premium part. So the premium part is this base. Oh, I feel like So luxurious. I feel premium now. Feel like the king of the toothbrushes. Not really. And it's got a little lid. Wow, so the germs can grow. Let's have a look at the lid when we put it on. Oh, that's cool. So I guess you plug it in and toothbrush sits on top. Well, let's get the toothbrush out and look at that. Oh, it's fancy. Put your extra heads in here. But I only use one head at a time. I don't feel like it's a bit weird to have like 5 different heads. So this premium base, I think, is not really worth the money in my opinion. It might be to you, but to me, it's not. So here's the toothbrush itself. Let's have a close-up look at that. It says professional care. It's all white, which may go yellow with use or the fluoride. And you can see some other stuff down here. It says made in Germany. It's pretty cool. Let's turn it on. Wow, pretty loud. So let's go through the different modes. And you know what? I'll even brush my teeth for you guys, just to enhance the video. So we'll let's go with the cross action head. Some cross action teeth brushing action. All right. So let's go through the different modes just before I put it in my mouth. So we have daily clean, pro clean, oh, extra speed, sensitive, yeah, just the lower speed, whitening. Yeah, I kind of doubt this whitens your teeth better, but alright. Oh, gum massage, okay. Interesting. I think I would probably just stick it on Pro Clean every time. So let's give it a go. Pro Clean. Oh, that's pretty good. Holy shit. This is a good toothbrush. Damn. I feel like my gum's gonna bleed. This thing freaking rips. Oh my god. Well, I'm not gonna brush my teeth for the entirety of the video, but what I can say is I think I'm not gonna need any more fillings. This thing is strong. I like it. My other toothbrush was Oral-B, and this one is like next level strength. I'm really impressed. I feel like I'm gonna be excited to brush my teeth now. My dentist will like that. I hope if my dentist is watching, look, I don't floss, but look, I use this toothbrush, so it's all good. So yeah, concluding this video, I would recommend this toothbrush if you have a lot of money to burn. I got this on sale, so I paid about $60, which I think it's worth, because you think about how much a filling costs versus just buying a nice toothbrush. But yeah, I might continue brushing because I want to have some more fun. So you could hear those different timers, and you heard at the end it did like the free pulse. So that tells you that it's time that you're done. You finished brushing. So now let's check out the app. I really doubt this app's going to convince me to open an app every time I brush my teeth, but I think this goes on the level of gimmick. It's not something I would consider useful, but let's have a look. Let's have a look at the app. So let's install the Oral-B app. See what it's all about. Get some of that toothbrushing action. Alright, so open up the app. Alright, so I'll start. I've got to give the app my location. Oral-B can come to my house now. Alright, press the power button. Oh, it's found my toothbrush. Okay. Well, that's mine. No security. Okay, we got a timer. Okay. Oh, do brushing for longer. Okay. I mean, the app works well. I'll give them that. It paired straight away. It freaking knows what mode you're in. Intense, sensitive, widen, gum care. Oh, so let's do the 30-second brush. Alright, now let's have a look at what we can do with that. Done. You won a medal. I won a medal! Wow, I feel very special. I've brushed for the first time. That's right, never brushed before. Alright, let's go. Did I have gum bleeding? Why do I want to know all this stuff? This is interesting. Well, I don't think I did. I thought I would. Oh, it's unhappy with me because I only went for 2 minutes. Alright. Oh, I've got to floss, clean my tongue. Alright, interesting. Tracks over pressure. You know, it's not as bad as I thought it would be, but as I said, I can't see myself using this app every time I brush. Oh, they track your like how long you brush every day. They got challenges. Oh man. Far out. I mean, if you have trouble brushing your teeth, this app will definitely encourage you to do so. But from a security point of view, I don't know. I don't really want to know. I don't really want like all my data being sent every time I brush my teeth. It might not be data. I mean, I haven't opened up Wireshark and had a look. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And I'm crouching down now because otherwise the camera's too low. Anyway, see you guys all next time.